Hey everyone, Adam Savage here. And you might be asking yourself, what am I doing with Steve Carr? Well, he asked me to share some seriously ingenious car hacks that'll upgrade your driving life. We're talking simple solutions, big impact. I'm talking about the kind of hacks that make you slap your forehead and say, why didn't I think of that? We're going to dive into everything from keeping your car spotless to making sure you're never stranded with a flat. So buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's get this show on the road. First up, let's talk about protecting your car's interior. We've all been there. Spilled coffee, muddy paws, you name it, but fear no more. Grab some old blankets or sheets you've got lying around. Lay them out flat on your seats and secure them with some straps. Bungee cords, rope, even duct tape will do the trick. Boom! Instant seat protectors that'll stand up to anything you throw at them. Next, let's give some love to those unsung heroes of visibility. Your wiper blades. Streaky windshield got you down? Don't just crank up the wiper speed, folks. Grab a damp cloth, add a drop of dish soap, and gently wipe down those blades. You'll remove dirt and grime, and your wipers will thank you with crystal clear swipes. Summertime heat got your car feeling like a sauna? I've got a solution that's a breath of fresh air, literally. Grab a small rechargeable fan, the kind you might use at your desk. Plug it into your cigarette lighter, point it towards you, and feel the instant relief. It's like having a personal air conditioner on wheels. Speaking of fresh air, let's not forget about your car's lungs, the air filter. A clogged filter can restrict airflow and make your AC work overtime. Pop the hood, locate the air filter, your owner's manual is your friend, and carefully remove it. Gently vacuum it with a soft brush attachment, and you'll be breathing easy in no time. Now, let's talk about unwanted odors, whether it's gym bags, fast food, or that mysterious old car smell. Activated charcoal is your secret weapon. Place some activated charcoal in a small, breathable pouch, an old sock will do, and toss it under your seat. It'll absorb those funky smells like magic. Ever get blinded by the setting sun while driving? Don't be a shadeless statistic. Grab a binder clip and a small piece of cardboard or fabric. Clip the cardboard to your dashboard, creating a makeshift sun visor. It's a simple, effective way to block those pesky rays. Listen, breakdowns happen, but being prepared can make all the difference. Create a simple roadside emergency kit with essentials like spare fuses, bulbs, tire repair patches, and a basic set of tools. Keep it in your trunk and you'll be ready to tackle minor issues like a pro. Need a phone mount but don't want to shell out big bucks? Get creative with some recycled plastic or my personal favorite, binder clips. Fashion a secure mount on your dashboard and you'll have a hands-free GPS setup that's both functional and eco-friendly. Winter warriors, this one's for you. Forgot your ice scraper? No problem. Grab an old credit card or any stiff plastic card. Carefully scrape away light ice from your windshield and windows. It's surprisingly effective and won't damage your glass. Finally, let's talk about flat tires. While a kind of fix-a-flat is handy, a compact manual tire inflator is a lifesaver. Keep one in your car and you can re-inflate a tire with a slow leak or add a few PSI to get you to a gas station. There you have it, folks. 10 simple yet effective car hacks to make your driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, a little ingenuity goes a long way when it comes to car maintenance and on-the-road preparedness. Now, I know you've got some clever car hacks up your sleeves too, so share your wisdom in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy drivers who are always one step ahead. And as always, thanks for watching.